Have you ever been confused on what a mini crimping iron does? Or how about a flat and smoothing iron? Well, guess what? This video is perfect for you. All right. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're gonna be talking about our two favorite irons, the mini crimping iron and the flat and smoothing iron. Why were they designed and how are they really gonna help you? Let's say you're the type of person that likes to create those sleek, shiny styles, that super straight hair, that 90s look. The flat and smoothing iron is gonna be your best friend. But also, say you wanna create those beached in, lived in waves, those Kim K curls, that Farrah Fawcett look. This bad boy, the flat and smoothing iron, is going to be your best friend as well. But let's say you want to do the complete opposite. Let's say you want to create texture, right? Or you want to create a lot of volume. The mini crimping iron is going to be fantastic. Why? Because it's the texture from the plates that it creates that allows you to either lay hair over it, creating volume, or if you do it throughout the head, allows you to pick up the hair and create beautiful, beautiful bridal like updos or a night on the town updo. But it's just understanding like why does the crimper work and why does the flat iron work? So if you want those sleek, straight styles or you want that beachy wave look, flat iron is going to be your best friend. But if you want to create, more of a voluminous look, you want to create texture throughout the hair or an updo, the mini crimping iron is going to be your best friend. Hope that makes sense, people. Have a wonderful day. Peace. Ever confused on what size round brush to use before you blow out your hair and you hit it with a flat iron? Well, guess what? We made a video perfect for that. Hit that right there. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop us a comment if you like these videos. Have a wonderful day. May the shine be with you. Peace.